Another tips is should be used the bookmark. Bookmark is essentially the note you can have inside your timeline. For create the bookmark, you can go to Windows, and in the end you can find bookmark editor. Bookmark editor you can find here. You can have the name, start, the length, and the end, and also if show and some comment if you want. You can click on a plus for create a new bookmark, or less for delete your bookmark. There is also another way for create the bookmark. I show you soon. For create a new bookmark, you can just click on the plus, and here is appeared a new bookmark. You can just double click on the name. You can say, for example, sphere animation, and you can say I want to started from 1012, for example. The length it's 24, it's okay, and automatically is create the end frame. You can also say I don't want its frame, the last frame is that, I want is for example 10 and 14. 8 is automatically is change your length, okay? Or you can just click here, I want for example 3 seconds. In our frame scale is 27.2. You can see it's changed automatically. You can also hide or not hide. You can add, for example, also the comment. Animation of sphere length. If you want. And you can just close, or you can create another, for example, values. You can say from that and that. Okay, from that to that is pause, and etc. etc. You can close. You can see on timeline you have here the color with your notes, with the bookmark here. You can scrub. You can see any for now, because our animation is started here. You can use this for, say, for example, to another your teammates. You should be here to here, or maybe that is very comfortable when you're working with the some tracking. You have the tracking information here from another software, and you should be have some idea where is started, or some action is inside the range of some frames. So you can say, okay, I have this this and this, or for some review with your teammates, for example. You can also open the animation editor, and you can see you have also here the bookmark with this big column with the color of your bookmark. You can also change the color. You can just go here, editor, you can click, and you can change the color for better, for example, view. Here, or if you have some guidelines for the colors in your production, you can use some guidelines. For example, everything is in yellow is move on, everything is in red is stopped, for example, or the green for moved and red for stop. It's like the traffic signal. You can also use the timeline here for create your bookmark, and you can just right click on the timeline. You can have this menu. Now I show you more. Okay, it's not show more because my screen is too big, so it is cut here. By the way, you can have here some more information for create, for example, add the key, delete the keys, or stretch some part, create the cycle, and also for create the bookmark. You can just create the bookmark. These floating windows you can assign here is very essentially respect this panel you can have here. You don't have some information For example, you have only the range here, the color, and the comment. You don't have the length, for example. Okay, but by the way, you can say I want my animation is started again from this to the end, for example, and I want to change the color with the green. You have more color here respect from that, for example. By the way, you can have a mission continued. You can is not needed to add the comment, but I love also add more note, more comment when I work, because if my teammates take my file, or usually I work like essentially I create also the template for in production, all the tools and I create the tools and the templates. When people is take my templates maybe and you don't find any information, maybe that is not more good, because maybe someone can come to you and ask a lot how this work that, and maybe you lost a lot of time to talk about the template. But by the way, if you have also the note, maybe you can usually in the company when you create the templates, also create one meeting for discussion or for show how to work with the template. But if you also have some note, maybe some people don't come back to you for say, okay, I don't understand this part when in the meeting, how I can use that. Maybe you have some notes and you can say, okay, read the note, you can find also the solution. So that it's very flexible when you work, because maybe you don't have the times, or maybe you are in another meeting, or you are busy on some stuff, you can answer to the questions immediately. And here with, for example, the comment, you can say, okay, this is my book name, this is the comment. You can have a more specific comment, for example, animation continued to the end. And maybe in the last 12 frames, move it more slow. Okay, and accept, and you can have here the comment, and maybe you can read like is the feedback you can have, for example, on the shot grid or F-track, for example. This is also one way for use the comment in the bookmark. It's more important the communication. I see more company where I work, the communication between people always the big problem, because you lost a lot of information and lost the time, rest the time when you work. Maybe you work a lot for nothing. Okay, you can just more communication is very easy in the life, in the production. By the way, you can have here, you can come back like this, and here you have your bookmark is present like this. You can also click again, more room. You can also click, you can add edit. Okay, you can edit your, for example, you can change not to the end is before. You can edit here, and you can also just click a little bit, okay, or need here the text here. You can also edit, delete, and also create open the bookmark editor here immediately, okay, because you don't have any shortcut. You can see here any shortcut for the bookmark editor here. Okay, you can also, if you want, you can delete, you can see delete.